Hi, this is Jake with Cali Rays. Today we're going to be installing our 2025 Plus 4Runner rock sliders. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and hardware needed for the install. 16 M10 bolts, 16 M10 washers, one ratcheting wrench, one 18mm socket. So now to get started on your rock slider, we have two jack stands. There is going to be 8 bolts that we're going to be putting into the frame plate, and we're going to start with the back and the front. There's going to be 2 and 2. So starting with the front, we're going to put in our M10 bolts and M10 washers. Now on the back, you're going to have one right here and then one above it. Now in the middle, we have 2 other bolts. Now 2 more bolts in the middle plate. Now that the 8 bolts are all in, you're going to get your ratcheting wrench and tighten them all down. Now that we've tightened up the driver's side, we're going to go over to the passenger side and do the same exact process. Now that's how you install the 2025 Plus 4Runner rock sliders. Please make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe, and go visit www.caliraisedled.com.